Well, this is a huge honor. Um, I remember the day back in school when I was in 7th standard. Something very unusual and weird happened. Um, the kids from school, my friends, when we used to go and play cricket in the sports break, we obviously were very passionate about cricket, and then when we came back to the classroom, we got scolded by the teachers because everyone, for some reason, had started putting their collars up. And there's this one man to be blamed for that, Azhar Bhai. And 20 years after that, I get a call from Ekta saying that they're planning a movie on the life and times of Muhammad Azharuddin. And I yelled and I screamed, and I was like, this is the best day of my life, I'm going to play him. But then after that, there was panic, there was nervousness, there was anxiousness. Because here's a man who's been celebrated, who's been minutely seen under the microscope by everyone in our country, in our nation, for over 30 years. And it's a huge task, but our team is very excited. Rajat has written a fantastic script, and we're very gung-ho about this, and that's why, for the first time, I guess, someone's releasing a film, announcing a film, almost a year before the release. So very excited, and I don't want to take too much time. Now we'll call up the rest of them.
And yes, on that note, I'll call up on stage Tony D'Souza, the director of Azhar. Tony, please come on stage. And of course, now the two power ladies, as I would call them, Ekta Kapoor and Sneha Rajani, producers of Azhar. Please come on stage.
But I think he's very apt for the role. He really worked very hard for the role. And a lot of people have asked me that why Imran Hashmi is doing this film. I think he's been my very, favorite actor also. I've watched all his films, and I think he's very apt for the role. And I'm sure he's really worked very hard, and he will, after he does the film, I think his name will be, he will be called Azhar most of the time. It appears to me like that. I don't mind that. जी जी देखिए, तीनों पहलू के बारे में आपने जो देखा है, मेरे ख्याल में वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट इश्यूज है, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि वो तीनों पहलू भी बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से दिखाएंगे मेरे ख्याल में, और मैं और तीनों पहलू पे विजिट करना चाहूँगा क्योंकि ये मेरी लाइफ से अटैच है।
मेरा सवाल है इमरान हाशमी से, जाकिर सिसोदिया परम मकराना मैगजीन। या इमरान भाई,
वेरी पॉपुलर।
अजहर की लाइफ पे फिल्म बनी है, इस कैरेक्टर को प्ले करते वक्त सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या था आपके लिए?
एक चैलेंज नहीं है, बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस हैं। पहली बात तो ये है कि जो इनका क्रिकेटिंग स्टाइल है बहुत ही अनकन्वेंशनल था, एंड मैं जनरली एक एवरेज गली क्रिकेटर हूँ जो बैट को ऐसे ही स्विंग करता रहता हूँ, मेरा कोई फुटवर्क नहीं था। लेकिन जब अजहर भाई ने आके सिखाना शुरू किया मुझे, तो आई रियलाइज आई हैव अ लॉट टू लर्न इन क्रिकेट, एंड होपफुली आई हैव गॉटन स्लाइटली बेटर ओवर द पास्ट 3 months। लेकिन जो इनका जो लेग ग्लांस है वो अभी भी मुझे पॉलिश करना है। अभी 3 महीने हो गए, और हम भी pretty much play around 50 overs every day, constantly in the nets, constantly whacking the ball. But let's see, we'll get it. We have to get it before the shooting starts.
एक्चुअली मुझे बोला गया था, मैं जब हम लोग एक किसी बेसिक डायरेक्टर से बात कर रहे थे, तो उन्होंने बोला था जब आई सेड एक बायोपिक, बहुत सारे बायोपिक्स मैंने बनाए हैं, बट आई सेड इस बार ऑथेंटिकेटेड बायोपिक बनाते हैं। एंड दे सेड दैट देयर इज ओनली वन बायोपिक दैट नीड्स टू बी मेड, और वो है अजहरुद्दीन का, और वो लेकिन परमिशन नहीं देंगे, तो आप वो छोड़ के किसी ना, मुझे ना सुनना बहुत अच्छा भी लगता है, और आई लाइक टू चेस दैट। सो आई सेड इमीडिएटली वी शुड गेट इन टच विद हिम। I think it took us about 30 meetings with him, and a lot of conversation about my dad because he's friendly with him, and a lot of convincing that there is going to be a lot of hard work put into making this biopic. And if anyone knows me knows that I have, मेरा क्रिकेट से दूर दूर का वास्ता नहीं है।
अब नजदीक हो गए.
अब we are close. But I had to do a film of a biopic on any sportsman who had a life. So that famous line that जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए. ये एक बड़ी जिंदगी है और हम दोनों को बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
अजहर जी आपसे सवाल है मेरा कि आपने कहा आपके राइट में इस तरफ. मेरा सवाल है कि आपने कहा आपने इमरान की सारी फिल्में देखी हैं और हर फिल्म आपको भाती ही भाती है. कौन से ऐसे गुण हैं इनके फिल्मों के जो आपको काफी पसंद आए?
देखिए, जो जिसके लिए ये फेमस जो कहा जाता है ये तो है वो तो आप हटा नहीं सकते. जैसा कि मेरे जो तीन इवेंट्स हैं जो आपने बताया लाइफ के, तो उनके साथ भी एक जुड़ा हुआ इवेंट है. बट लेकिन बहुत से लोग इनकी एक्टिंग देखते नहीं, क्योंकि जब जाते हैं तो इमरान की फिल्म देखते हैं, बट हम ये चीज़ देखना चाहते हैं. बट लेकिन यहाँ पे जो ये फिल्म होगी बिल्कुल अलग तरह की होगी. और आप देखेंगे इमरान भाई के यहाँ पे एक्टिंग स्किल्स, उसके बारे में एक अलग मेरे ख्याल में इनका रुतबा हो जाएगा ये फिल्म के बाद, जहाँ तक ये मेरी सोच है.
इमरान जब शॉट्स की बात याद आती है आपको, तो कौन सा फेवरेट शॉट है आपका जो अजहर भाई का काफ़ी पसंद है आपका?
डेफिनेटली लाइक ग्लांस ही होगा. और क्योंकि इनके जो रिस्ट हैं दे ऑलमोस्ट लाइक रबर, बहुत ही फ्लेक्सिबल हैं. और जो पहली चीज़ मैंने फेस की जब मैंने प्रैक्टिस शुरू किया, बिकॉज आई वेट ट्रेन अ लॉट, मेरी रिस्ट हिली नहीं रही थी. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स मैंने वेट ट्रेनिंग अभी छोड़ दी है. And we have been rigorously training with yoga to get there to the point. Obviously, I won't be as good as Azhar Bhai by the time the film starts, but I have to look that. I have to be and portray a character and show. जब मैं फील्ड पर उतरूंगा और जब शॉट मारूंगा तो आपको लगना चाहिए वो हेलमेट के पीछे अजहर हैं. So that is it'll be a battle won.
और एक ही साल में 2 फिल्में आएंगी. लाइक धोनी पे भी बायोपिक बन रही है, आपकी भी फिल्म 2016 में ही आने वाली है. तो कुछ देखते हैं, कंपटीशन होगा, तुलना होगी.
मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि दूसरी फिल्म के बारे में मुझे पता भी नहीं था. मुझे पता है कि अजहर आ रही है 13 मई को. दूसरी फिल्म के बारे में पता नहीं मुझे.
Azhar bhai, hi this side. On your left, Azhar bhai. On your left, yeah. Faridun from Bollywood Hungama, a huge fan of yours. We just prayed for you when you played the third Test match against England. When you made the third 100 on trot, and that was history. Your fielding was amazing. Your batting was really classy and extremely simple person. But somewhere when the entire match fixing broke out, it was like I as a fan was totally heartbroken, and somewhere many still disbelieve that something of this sort happened. So what sort of element do we see of the match fixing angle in the movie, sir?
I think it's very hard for me to say about it right now, because I think once you watch the film, when the film is made, I think you will get a better perspective about that. So I don't think at this point of time I need to say that. But answering your question, you've been a very big fan. Thank you very much. And nowadays, whenever I go out, people don't remember my batting. They always say that Azhar Saab aap bahut अच्छे fielder थे. So I just remind them as batting भी अच्छा करता था.
Imran, what sort of discussions have you had with Mr. Azharuddin for just preparing for your character?
I've troubled him a lot. Actually we started off in January and we started training in cricket. And the first day we started training on the turf. He obviously corrected everything about what I was doing. I was completely all over the place. My footwork was not right. I was swinging the bat around. I was pretty much not connecting with the ball. And then he actually came up and he held my hand and the bat and he showed me where I should be putting my feet. And I kind of froze for like a couple of seconds. I was like, this is, I'm blessed. Like I'm being trained by the best batsman in the world. And I was like an average player in school. So this is a dream come true for me. But I have, even the questions that I had to ask him, in some way, even if they are not visible in the film, in that sense, in a 2-hour film, they just take for me to understand the background of the character. And I formulated 100 questions that I wanted to ask him. And he was very sporting to have answered all those questions. It's as much as which foot did he first put on the field when he stepped on it. So there was also these things that will come out. Why did he put his collar up? You will not know the answer of that till you watch the film. So there are a lot of things that will have to be answered in the film. I can't really answer it right now, but all these 100 questions will answer those, answers.
The body language of Azharuddin is very important. The way you're walking in the teaser that we're seeing from behind. Yeah. It's exactly reminiscent of the way Azharuddin used to walk.
Yeah.
He has a very typical way, the way he used to walk.
Yes. The best compliment was his son right now. He just said, was dad shooting? Did dad get the shot?
Have you shot for it, by the way, Mr.
Well, you'll have to ask Tony that. It was me, and it took a hell of a lot of prep for everything. And now it's also the prep for the shoot. You know, getting into the scenes is obviously much more demanding than just a teaser. So we're all very nervous, but extremely excited. And I believe it's those films where you're very nervous and anxious because of the scale and what you have to achieve is when the best films are made. So we're all very, very nervous about it.